We've come to Animal Kingdom to show you the 5 things that you should do every time you come here.
So come along with us.
Here we go. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. We are doing a series of videos on the things that we feel you should do every time you come to one of the parks, and today's is Animal Kingdom. We constantly say, if you didn't do blank, you weren't in that park. The example we often use is Pirates of the Caribbean and Magic Kingdom. Well, we're going to show you the things that we do every time we come to Animal Kingdom. So come along with us. Not really on the list, but I have to say that the Tree of Life reveal in Animal Kingdom is probably one of my favorite icon reveals in all of the parks. It's just so cool. You come around the bend and then you get to just walk straight towards it, and it looks so cool. So I'm gonna put down a list, sort of. Just enjoy the reveal when you come around the bend. Coming here, number 5 here in Animal Kingdom is the Gorilla Falls and the Maharajah Jungle Trek Trail. We love them.
Yeah. Love all the animals. Gorillas, the tigers. There's so many.
Yeah, all the birds, the bird enclosures, the aviaries, those are fun. And the birds actually aren't afraid of you, which is nice. And just in general, the trails are worth walking. If you can do it, we highly recommend you just walk them every time you come here, because the interaction with the animals is always different. Yeah, and we love it. So, number 5, the Gorilla Falls and the Maharajah Jungle Trek. One of the things that we are doing with this video also is we are making honorable mentions of places to eat that we recommend in the parks. And our main honorable mention of this park is to eat at Satu'li Canteen in Pandora. Some of the best food you can get in the parks at a quick service restaurant. You can customize it a lot more than you can customize in most other restaurants. And the setting is really, really cool. It's supposed to look like an old RDA bivouac, and they have Navi'd the artwork in here. And this is supposed, again, to be post-Avatar. And I just love the setting. I like the music in here, and it's a nice respite from the heat. See, this is why we come here. For a drink and a very filling noodle bowl with excellently prepared food. It's only $24, which is one of the best values on property. This is why it's an honorable mention in our food category. Okay, coming in at number 4 on our list, Dinosaur. Why do you like Dinosaur?
It's always a fun ride. Thrilling chase in the dark, trying to catch the dinosaur before the asteroid hits.
Now, I do have to say that I think why it came in number 4 for us is because we like Indiana Jones and Disneyland better. Yeah. It's the same ride vehicle, same ride system, even the same ride track, just with a dinosaur theme. And I like the Indiana Jones theme better. But this is still something we do every time we come here, because we need to get that dino, don't we? Come and ride with us. Michelle and I have come to number 3 on our list, and that's Festival of the Lion King. Michelle, why do you like Festival of the Lion King?
It's so fun and entertaining. The acrobatics in the show, the singing, it's all amazing. Oh yeah, I agree. I especially like the singing. As a music teacher, I will say that the singing is part of my favorite part. But the main thing I would point out is that the acrobatics of the tumble monkeys, and then the two birds who do the rope thing, that's just great stuff. And the show itself is nice and cool if you need a moment from the heat, and the line is covered for the most part. Just be careful when it rains. Sometimes you will still get rained on. That has happened to us. But Lion King definitely deserves to be number 3 on this list, right? Yeah.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down! I Come on, everybody. All together now. 1, 2, 3. Here we go again. Come on, you ain't seen nothing yet.
With the sun rolling high through the sapphire sky, keeps great and slow on the endless ride, the circle of life. To break the line, till we find our place on the path of winding.
Our second honorable mention here is going to be the Dawa Bar here in Animal Kingdom. It is attached to Tusker House, but you can get some great cocktails. It is a full bar, and on top of that, you can get a really good job with some of the excellent beers that they serve here. So Dawa Bar is one of our favorites. We do stop here often, especially like these coveted bar seats that are up against the bar. They're hard to get, but when you do, you get excellent service too. Coming in at number 2 on our list is Expedition Everest. Why do you like it? Why do you think we should do it?
It's very thrilling. The backwards part is. I think it's the only thing here that goes.
Yeah, it's the only thing that really goes backwards like that.
like
Well,
that.
I mean, Guardians does it too, but this one really whips you around in a turn, and it gets me every time. I involuntarily yell every time I ride that. So, yeah.
Always fun.
It's so good. So good. Yeah, and it's one of the best thrill rides here in Disney World too. So, yeah, definitely tops at number 2. So, definitely check out Expedition Everest. All right, so our final honorable mention today is the Nomad Lounge. One of our favorite places to just stop and get a, like just take a break. Yeah, they have excellent drinks. I like the Tempting Tigress. You usually get the one with the big watermelon slice, whatever that one's called.
I don't remember. Yeah.
And you have to get on the walk-up list, which is a little bit of a hassle sometimes. But the Nomad Lounge is just a great honorable mention. I think it's a good place to go. It works really well for everything you want to do, right?
Yeah, just chill out, cool off.
Yeah. It's a great place to get a snack, like those churros, or that charcuterie board, also excellent, and then get a drink. Yeah. Honorable mention. Because we got very fortuitous today, we're going to talk about number 2 while we walk. It started raining, and the Kilimanjaro Safari dropped to 5 minutes. And we were like, oh wait, we're gonna talk about Kilimanjaro Safari today anyway. And so now we're walking straight on Kilimanjaro when just 30 minutes ago it was an hour wait. So people cleared out when the rain started, and we're getting on this, which is our number 2, because this is the whole reason the park exists. Now, I can't give it number 1, and you'll find out why. Because number 1 is just so amazing. But this is the perfect answer for number 2, don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, why do you say?
Enjoy seeing all the animals out in their, natural habitat doing their thing.
Yeah, and after a rain, we're going to see a lot of them because it'll be cooler.
Yeah.
So here we go. We're excited. Sorry we didn't do it in front of the sign or anything, but number 2, Kilimanjaro Safari.
Actually called the ghosts of the forest because they have an extra fatty padding on the bottom of their hooves. Unique to them as our fingerprints are to ourselves. It's actually a really unique way that we can learn to identify individual zebras from this incredible pattern on their coat, but they're actually some of the world's most successful hunters. They can be 3 to 4 times more successful in nearly every single hunt than your lions will be. Annually, following the rain, in herds of up to about 1.5 million wildebeest. Now that giraffe there, she's doing a pretty good job. Skulls, but also a great way to tell a giraffe and okapi are related because they're the only 2 animals in the whole.
Hey, a monkey.
I could sit here all day long and watch him, I promise, but it looks like there's a white rhino that just worked its way out of the brush there. Now, white rhinos, they are the largest of the rhinos. They can weigh up to about 6,000 pounds fully grown. About 65, some topping out at over 70 miles an hour. Now these cheetahs though, they are the smallest of the large. And of course we have a few ostriches here on this left-hand side as well. These ostriches are the largest bird in the whole entire world.
With the floating mountains behind us here in Pandora, we've come to
Flight of Passage.
Yep, Avatar Flight of Passage. It's definitely our #1. So if you're like coming here to the park, you definitely need to ride this. If it's your first time, the wait time is worth it, right? Yeah, it's often really high, but the wait time's worth it in our opinion. And the floating mountains and the theming and all this other stuff that goes on here, you can even hear the animal noises behind us. It's just 100% worth it. Yeah? Probably one of the best rides in the park for a little while until they made Rise of the Resistance. Like, one of the best rides in Walt Disney World. You fly on the Ecron, you can feel it breathing, you can feel it flying. The 3D and the soaring style screen makes you feel like you're in it. There's no bad seats in the house, unlike soaring.
Right.
And it's just, it's the thing. It's definitely one of the #1 thing you should do here. So let's do a rundown. Number 5 was the Maharajah Jungle Trek or the Gorilla Falls Expedition Trail, right? Number 3 was Lion King. Number 2 was Expedition Everest. And then number 1, Flight of Passage. These are the things, and then we had our 3 honorable mentions, the Dawa Bar, the Nomad Lounge, and Satu'li Canteen for places to get some food. So we recommend all of these things that you do every time you come to Animal Kingdom because we feel it helps maximize your day, right? Yeah. These are the things that are like, if you don't do it, did you really go to Animal Kingdom? Yeah, right? So hopefully this list has helped you plan your trip to Animal Kingdom and don't skip out on this park. It's really worth going to. It's a great park, right? Oh, yeah. Right, yeah, we love it. And like we always say, we don't like to say goodbye because we're going to see you real soon. So we say, see you, bye.